Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold for a while this green dot and swipe it to the left side with your finger, and by this way you can mute your device ringtone volume. Also, we can do it by the third way. Just use your power of the volume buttons here on the right side of your device. Just press the up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the settings icon, and by this way you'll also just change your you can mute your device ringtone volume. Just swipe this dot to the left side with a finger and then click here to done. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.